Hi everybody, it's David with Rocky Mountain Estate Brokers Whitley Auction. We're down here at the JDS Electric Retirement Auction, having fun today in the sun, cataloging pickups for this fantastic auction. This is a 2015 Ford F250 Super Duty with a Power Stroke diesel engine, ranch hand cow catcher grill guard on the front there. That's got a little surface rust, but you could sure paint it up. Very nice F250 Super Duty. This one's showing 130,600 miles. We'll try to show you. It's a clean unit. Matching tires, I think, all the way around. I noticed 2 or 3 little tiny rock chips in the windshield. I didn't notice any hail on this truck. There you can see F250 Super Duty. It's got Cooper Discovery rubber on it that you'll probably need to change before next winter. Big, nice looking truck. F250 Super Duty long box crew cab. It's got a lot of toys. It's an XLT. Has weather techs in it. We've got still photos of it without the mats in it, so you can see the carpet's clean. Nice two-tone cloth upholstery, bucket seats up front. Lots of cup holders. Has a Ford Sync in it. AM, FM, CD, steering wheel controls. Has a backup camera. Has nice running boards, steps, whatever you want to call them. Once again, clean in the back. Another shot of a tire. F250 Super Duty 4-wheel drive crew cab. It's selling at auction right now for the JDS Electric Retirement Auction. They're selling everything. So this stuff was in use till they closed up shop. Spray-in bed liner, has caps on it. It's got little scratches here and there for a pickup that was used, but I mean, it is a nice clean truck that I don't think anybody'd be embarrassed to go to town in. F250 Super Duty, Power Stroke, automatic, has power windows and locks, cruise, steering wheel controls, tilt, nice stereo. Selling at auction right now. We'll be right back with the engine. Thank you. And we're back. F250 Super Duty turbo diesel running right now. It's selling at auction right now too. Clean machine. Ford F250 Super Duty with the turbo diesel. Selling at auction right now. Go to whitleyauction.com to bid, and thank you.